How to manage people you may know notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage people you may know notifications on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings, and then settings, and now go down and you will find the notifications. Click on it and then go down and you will find here people you might know. Click on it, and as you say here you can manage until you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.